Welcome to the deep ocean, Earth's real underworld. Two-thirds of the planet is covered by ocean, yet we've explored less than 20% of it. That's not because we're lazy, it's because the deep ocean is a hostile, alien environment. Pitch black, freezing cold, pressure so crushing that a human body could be flattened like a soda can in seconds. The first real descent into this world happened in the 1930s when William Beebe and Otis Barton climbed into a steel ball called the bathysphere. They dangled on a cable, dropped nearly half a mile down, and saw creatures no one had ever documented before. Glowing, transparent predators with teeth like glass shards. That was just the beginning. Fast forward to today, we have titanium submersibles that can dive 36,000 feet into the Mariana Trench, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Inside is cramped, freezing, and eerily quiet, except for the creaks of the hull. Outside the window, a parade of life, forms that look like they were designed by a sci-fi director on no sleep. Vampire squid with glowing blue lights, fish so black they absorb 99% of light, and transparent, jelly-like giants stretching longer than buses. At 13,000 to 20,000 feet down lies a abysmal zone, a world of living fossils that have barely changed for millions of years, glass sponges that can live for thousands of years, herds of sea cucumbers grazing the seafloor like cattle, and amphipods, tiny crustaceans that somehow survive in temperatures just above freezing and pressures hundreds of times greater than on land. Then there are hydrothermal vents, cracks in the seafloor, where superheated water bursts out rich in minerals no sunlight reaches here, yet the vents support massive tube worms, blind shrimp, and yeti crabs. Some scientists believe these vents might be where life on Earth began. Go deeper still and you enter the Hadal zone, trenches more than 20,000 feet down, named after Hades himself. Here, food scraps from the upper ocean can take years to fall to the bottom. The animals that survive here have adapted in ways we barely understand. Snailfish that thrive under pressure 1,000 times stronger than at the surface, amphipods the size of prawns, and possibly much larger predators that remain unidentified, hinted at by strange sonar readings and reports from submarine crews. And here's the uncomfortable truth: we may destroy much of this world before we even understand it. Deep sea mining companies are already eyeing these uncharted areas for cobalt, nickel, and manganese. One mining pass can obliterate centuries old habitats. Add in plastic pollution, chemical waste, and rising ocean temperatures, and the deep's fragile ecosystems are in serious danger. Now for the secrets most people don't know. There are massive mountain ranges under the ocean, longer than any on land. Brine pools, literal underwater lakes that can kill anything that falls in. Entire species seen once and never again, like ghostly jellyfish with 40-foot tentacles, and the oldest living animals on Earth. The ocean is our planet's life support system. It stores more carbon than all the world's forests combined, and it produces much of the oxygen we breathe. Lose it and we lose everything. We've barely begun to explore this realm, and what we've seen so far proves one thing: the deep ocean is not just a mystery, it's the key to understanding life on Earth itself.